Alright, good morning everyone, from day 7 on board the P&O Azura, when today we are spending the day at sea. After a hearty breakfast from the buffet, it was time to enjoy some morning sun. And today, I was on a mission to fix these tan lines that I'd somehow managed to get on this cruise. Like, who wants to go home with tan lines like this? So today, I was adamant I was going to fix this. As it was a sea day today, and also the last day for some, everyone was out on the top decks soaking up some of that Mediterranean sun. You know, I don't remember the Azura ever being this busy before, but that's us Brits for you, I guess. The second the sun is out, we're out there soaking it up. I then got to enjoy a dance show by the crew on top deck, which reminded me how much I wish I could dance. I mean, I could just edit it, I guess. I tell you, I was worn out after all that dancing, so a trip to the buffet was in order, before completing some more sunbathing. Do you think I'm getting too predictable? Alright, well that is going to bring the end to my sunbathing session. It was by no means sunny, but it was warm, so it was quite nice to kind of sit out there. I was out there for a few hours actually, and I didn't have any sun cream on, but I think I got away with not burning, so that's always good. But yes, I am back in the cabin now because I've put it off for long enough. I need to pack. Now strangely, you have to have your suitcases outside your cabin by 6 PM, which seems quite early compared to other cruises, but that's what it is. So I better get packing because I've got about an hour. So, here we go then. Hopefully this won't take too long because I was only here for a week, but we'll see how it goes. All right then, well that there is me fully packed and ready to go. With half an hour to spare, but I'm gonna have to go and try and scavenge a pen from somewhere because I haven't got one. I need one to write the little luggage tag out with all my information, so I've got to see, where would you find a pen on a ship? I don't know, probably reception. I'll probably go there.
Well, a very good afternoon everybody, this is Tim, your hotel general manager speaking.
I was literally just about to start.
Had a great day today.
Oh yeah, so I got a pen. I had to queue up at reception to get a pen, which is a bit weird. Well, I probably didn't have to queue, but I'm British, so I had to queue up. It felt a bit rude to sort of push in front of everyone. But I've done it, I filled it in, and my luggage is now there, ready to go. So it's a bit sad really, but it has to happen, I guess. Whilst I was down in reception, I did see the tower folding animals as well, so that was pretty cool. So not a complete waste of time. And another little souvenir as well, I found this in my pocket. Now I believe that this is the mask from when I was last on Azura. This one in this video right here. So this is like a collectible item now, a YouTube relic, if you say. So I'm going to keep hold of this because this is probably worth thousands if I put it on eBay. But yeah, let's chuck the luggage outside and try not to get locked out. Not that I've ever done that before. No. Okay, maybe I've done it once, but that was my first. Well, it wasn't my first cruise. I don't know what I'm saying. Well, there you go. That was that. Many people would say that the cruise is now over, and it certainly does feel that way. But you know what they say? As one door closes, another door opens. And that door opening is the one when they tell us to get off their shit, man, because the cruise is over. It's time to go. But yeah, that is it. My luggage is gone, and within the next, I don't know, 12 hours, will be gone. Will be gone in 12 hours? In about 12 hours, we'll be gone. Oh no, because the clocks go back, so we actually get an extra hour. So, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My luggage is gone. That's taken care of, and tomorrow we'll be back on our way to the smelly UK. I can't wait. But one thing I did do today on my Wi-Fi that I bought was look at other cruises. Now I should have 2 more this year if everything goes to plan, which means that this year will be my most cruised year with 4 cruises, totaling hopefully 7 weeks at sea in 1 year, which isn't bad. That's not bad at all. So there's nothing booked yet, but by the time you're watching this, there should hopefully be something booked. So check the YouTube post to see if there is anything there. And we'll actually get a somewhat early night tonight because it is quite an early start tomorrow. Even though the clocks are going back, it's still going to be an early one, so I should get a little bit of shy. So I want to thank you for joining me for day 8. No, it's day 7. Thank you for joining me for day 7 on board the P&O Azura. And whilst all the videos and playlists show up around the screen, I just want to tell you how hot I am. Not as in, you know, that I'm really attractive, because of course that's me all the time. But I mean, I feel really warm, so I think that I have actually sunburnt. My legs are on fire right now, so hopefully it doesn't keep me up too late, but we'll see. Had to happen, didn't it? Had to happen.